everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my kitten Maeve. Some of you may or may not know her. For today's video, Maeve picked out my products for me, and I am also getting ready for a wedding. So hopefully she picks out decent things that actually go together and match. There are certain things that I don't have enough of, so she didn't pick them, and I'm just gonna put them on off camera. So we'll see how it goes. I'm also repping Julia Mazzucato merch today. I will link her channel down below. I really enjoy her videos, and I picked this specific merch. So it's a brain. He has like lungs, a spine, and then a brain with this kind of design. So go check out her channel and her merch. She's very creative. She's super creative. I highly recommend. I am going to put on my brows and some primer and be right back. So now it's time for foundation, and let's see which one Maeve picks out for me. Alright, so looks like she picked out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Not a bad pick, honestly. So I am going to go ahead and put this on with my beauty sponge, and I'm also going to put concealer and set my face with powder because I don't have enough of either of those for her to choose from, and I shall be right back. Alright, so I also went ahead and primed my eyes, and we are gonna go into eyeshadow now. Hopefully Maeve picks out a good eyeshadow that matches my outfit. We'll see. Alright, so Maeve picked out the Cor de Rosa palette from Sigma Beauty. I mean, I'm wearing a pink floral dress, so I'd say this matches pretty well. Here's what the palette looks like. So I am just gonna set my entire eye with Veranda? I don't know. For the wedding that I'm going to, I did 2 of the bridesmaids' makeup this morning, so I'm kind of a little makeuped out today, but I just don't know how intricate I'm gonna make this. Alright, I'm gonna go into this shade Hybrid, put that all in my crease. My hands are like kind of shaky and my back hurts, but they're having pizza at the reception, so I'm very much looking forward to that. Okay, I'm gonna go into Damask and do the same thing I did with Hybrid. She got spayed yesterday as well, so she's kind of sleepy today. Sit up here. So she got spayed yesterday, and she was still pretty drowsy when I picked her up. So, I was driving and she would try to sit up and then she'd fall like straight on her back and she'd just like be stuck laying there and her tongue would be slightly out like a little blip. Oh, I was dying. I wish I could have gotten a picture of it. I felt so bad, but it was just too funny. Sorry if my energy is a little bit lower in this video. Like I said, I already did 2 full faces of makeup today, so I'm just kinda tired. Now I am going to go into Shakespeare, this shade right here, and kind of darken up the outer corner of my eye. Also, sorry about my hair. I just kind of threw it in a braid real quick because I don't know what I'm doing with it for the wedding and I have to leave in a half hour. For the lower lash line, I am just gonna take that same Shakespeare shade and Damask and smoke out the lower lash line a little bit. Alright, lower lash line is all done and I'm kind of liking how this is coming together. And now it's time for my favorite part of every eye look, the shimmer. Actually, that's not true. I enjoy everything about eyes and eyeshadow. It's definitely my favorite part of the entire makeup routine. I think I'm gonna take this Dark Night shade and kind of put that in the outer portion of my lid. Oops, oh my god, I totally forgot to mention. I already started. I am taking Belle of the Ball, the shade here, and then I'm putting that in the inner portion of my lid. Now, next we do eyeliner, and let's see which eyeliner Maeve picked out for me. Maeve apparently really liked this shade Toasty. I think I am going to kind of make a smoked out eyeliner look. Yeah, so since this is kind of a darker brown, I think that it will look pretty if I smoke it out. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm just gonna take this angle brush and smoke it out with that. Alright, the eyeliner is on and smoked out, and I quite like how this eye look turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some bronzer. My hair, this is basically like a watch Jade slowly unravel as time gets closer and closer to when she needs to leave. Now Maeve is gonna pick out some blush for me and let's see which one she decides I need to wear today. Alright, so she chose this Tarte blush in color Party. I do like Tarte's blush formula, but it's kind of hard. So I feel like I really have to dig in there to get the product. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my highlighter and mascara, and Maeve has one more thing to choose for me. Everything is just about done except for lips. So let's see Maeve's favorite lip color. right, that one was a little bit harder for her to get through. I think she was a little tired of picking products out for me, but she did end up picking the Dose of Colors Velvet Mousse in shade Stone. This is actually a really pretty color. It might be a little cool tone for this look, but she picked it out, so. Alright, here is the final look that my baby girl Maeve picked out for me. Oh. You can do it, girl. You got it. She is so sick of me. Yeah? Is that where you want to sit? Yeah? Okay. No? Yeah? You're just gonna sit there? Okay. Well, here's the final look. What do you guys think? Did Maeve do... Did Maeve do a good job? I think she did pretty good, actually. I'm very surprised that everything is cohesive and kind of matches. But yeah, I have 4 minutes to get my dress on and kind of do something with my hair. So I will see you guys next week with the next video, Tuesday at 5:30. Peace out. Bye.